Now, Paul, as you know, they're going for the highest LEED rating here at this house, you know, LEED Platinum. Let me ask you this. What percentage of the home's hot water needs will the Syrex meet, and what percentage will the Cyclone be accomplishing?
Well, basically, when a properly sized solar system like the Syrex we have here will provide 70% of the hot water needs in the house.
I want this to succeed. I know it's going to succeed because of the folks at Tresor and especially A.O. Smith. They have to do this system to really meet the LEED requirements that they need.
This one has a heat transfer fluid that's freeze protected, and it will be fed from the panels on the roof through a pump station. So the only time we would go beyond that would the Cyclone would kick in and provide the other 30%.
A.O. Smith has been a tremendous help and aid in having us achieve the goals that we want out here at 990 Oceanfront. They've gone over and above what we've asked them to do.
Well, I'd like to see that pump and some of that equipment and how that works, Paul, if you have it on site.
Yeah, we do. We have it right over here.
So this is the unit, huh? You've got a lot of different operations going on here. Tell me how this works, Paul.
Well, it's an integrated pump station, and it has the pump built into it, pressure relief valve. It has temperature sensors from the system that come back and feed temperature information to an electronic controller that you can program then.
When you build a home and you want to choose a hot water system, you want to make sure that you have efficiency in mind. The A.O. Smith Syrex system has been huge in us getting our LEED Platinum certification.
One thing I wanted to ask about, you have a way to monitor the cyclone even when you're out of town, even out of the country.
Absolutely. The electronic groups at A.O. Smith came up with the ICOM, which is a remote monitoring system. It can be used to help someone service it if there's a problem. The online webpage that they go to will show all this to them and user-friendly information, and they can even calculate their energy savings.
Well, I'm very impressed, Paul. This is good equipment, so A.O. Smith has done it again.
I challenge every builder to come out and try to provide a type of building like this that we've provided here today, because this is something truly spectacular, not only for Laguna Beach, not only for California, but for the United States.
Aaron, can you tell me about the features of this Crestron system?
Yeah, this home has a typical Crestron system. We're going to interface heating, air conditioning, motorized drapes, lighting control, security, camera, and monitor all your main energy loads.
What I have here is I have the ICOM from A.O. Smith. So is this something that you can tie into your system?
Absolutely, that's great. It has a data port that can feed directly into the system with other devices and provide the same level of feedback. Anywhere that there is a device in this house with some sort of graphic display, I can actually bring that information up at a click of a button. A client could whip up their iPhone and show their friends that, look, this is actually how much my house is producing right now, and this is how efficient mine is. It could be a bragging right.
Very cool. All right, I'll leave you to it.
This home will be a LEED certified platinum home because the amount of energy the home uses, to the materials that you're using, that they're eco-friendly, so that everything treads lightly on the planet.
This home will be a showcase for the entire country on the kinds of things that can be done to build a wonderful place to live that is still environmentally responsible and hits the very pinnacle and achievement of renewable energy efficient standards.